What is up? It is another day. Today we're going to be working on a Mare Z. So a few weeks ago, I think about a month ago actually, we ordered the GK Tech angle kit for the G35/350Z models. The kit is finally here, so we're going to finally get onto this, get the angle kit absolutely dialed, and yeah, hopefully it all should go through smoothly, fingers crossed. If you want to check out the GK Tech angle kit, like if you've got it and you haven't installed it yet, I'll chuck down a link in the description below. It is a link to the GK Tech site, and they've also done a video on how to install it. The kit looks absolutely amazing. There's been a lot of people that have been reviewing it, a lot of people have installed it as well, but it should be pretty sick. And then next weekend have the car ready to go for Jesse's pad day at Hampton Down. So stick around and we get onto it. Good, so we've got the GK Tech angle kit. We have the knuckle adapter. That's going to bolt to the knuckle in place of where the lock stop goes for the vehicle as well. We've opted for this kit to have the rack spaces as well, so the rack spaces are also going to go in. We also have, what are these? These are the rack end pieces that go in between the tie rod, rack end joint as well. Some other boots. Other side we have. Get this out. Brand new ball joints. Sick. So it's pretty much finished. So as you can see, we've got the knuckle adapter all bolted up. Everything's all torqued to the right specs. We have the adjuster in the middle as well. That's all in. Rack spaces are in both sides. Boots are back on. Adapters in. So basically, all we just need to do now is put the wheels back on. Try it from lock to lock, see if it's going to foul anything, and then we'll just go from there. Like the kit overall is not very hard to install. They've got very instructional video. They've got diagrams that come with the box as well, like this little guy here. Yeah, so this little guy here as well. So basically, it tells you what to do step by step. I've just been going off their YouTube video instead because it has actually been a little bit easier, but it's actually very simple, very easy to go with. So kit's in. That is how much angle we're getting now. Better light. The limiting factor though is that the wheel's actually hitting the sway bar. So up here, well sorry, the tyre, it is smack bang on that sway bar right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to give 25mm spacers a try. Now bear in mind though, these wheels are 18x11 on the front. I think they're 1811 plus 10. So it's a massive wheel with a 265 Kenda semi-slick on the front of it. So what we'll do is we will try the 25mm spacer just to see what it's going to be like. Hopefully it should be all good. But apparently the other limiting factor is probably going to be the brake line. As you can see, right up in there, the brake line is pretty darn close to that coilover. Fun and games, but we'll see what it's gonna do. Yeah, I'll try that 25mm spacer on the front first, see what it's like. Hopefully it'll be all good, but yeah, we'll see. Hopefully by Thursday we should have the alignment done, have it all dialed. Gonna chuck some spacers in the front too, hopefully push it away from the sway bar, but it should be good, so stick around. We've released a new line of merch, so we've got these new shirts. Has the new design on the back, so it has New Zealand grassroots drift, and also our new design logo as well. We just want to thank Drew from Word. So Drew designed these up for us, did an absolutely killer job. Now these are available online, you can purchase these. We've also got a range of hoodies, and we've also got 2 sticker designs coming up very shortly as well. Go onto our website www.nothingfancy.co.nz. Check us out on Facebook at Nothing Fancy, as well as Instagram Nothing Fancy, and obviously you're already on our YouTube channel, so make sure you smash the like button, hit subscribe, and follow us for more content. Cheers.